The Kathmandu Litehaul is a full-featured travel duffel with external laptop compartment, water bottle pocket, and a stowable backpack straps with a hip belt. I just bought this bag a few weeks ago, and unfortunately, they already released a new version. They're virtually identical, but I'll point out the differences as I go through the video. The Litehaul comes in 4 sizes, 2 of which can be used as a carry-on, the smaller 28, and this one is the 38-liter version. It also comes in a larger 48 and 65-liter sizes. They list the dimensions at 22 by 12.5 by about 11, but the way I have it packed out here, it's more like 22, a little wider at 14, and it's not quite as deep as they say. I have it about 9 here, or 56, 36, 23 for my metric friends out there. The materials on the Litehaul are decent. This main fabric is a recycled polyester. Kind of feels like the texture of upholstery, with a thin rubberized polyester going around the sides and the back of the bag. The newer version fabric is nylon. It looks smoother than this with a thinner weave. They use good hardware here, number 8 YKKs on almost all the pockets. 4 of them are lockable, these 2 top pockets, the main compartment, and the laptop. You can get creative with locking the zippers here. There's 2 of these little lock points, one there and then one down here. A standard flex padlock is gonna work great. These top 3 zippers, you can lock all 3 together with just one padlock, and the same thing will work down here on these 2 zippers and lock point. These little Night Eyes clips work great also. Not as much security, but they're pretty low key, match the zipper color. You can lock the zippers together individually, lock them to the lock points, or lock the zipper pulls together going across both of these. The main compartment is a duffel, but the outside has a ton of features: laptop, water bottle pocket, backpack straps, and 2 gigantic top pockets. This water bottle pocket, it's half fabric, half stretchy mesh, with this little adjuster here to close it down. It works great on these medium-sized water bottles, holds it very tight in there. And you can technically fit a 1-liter water bottle in there, but it's very, very tight. The design is modified on the updated version. It looks more like this one now, with this long side zipper, similar to the style on this Thule Landmark. Coming around to the top of the Litehaul, there's 2 enormous pockets up here. This first one, it's designed as a shoe compartment. It's not waterproof, but it'll keep your dirty shoes away from the rest of your gear. Looking inside the bag, you can see this pocket takes up almost 1/3 of the volume of the whole pack. Good for shoes, or this could also be a great place for transferring dirty laundry out of the main bag. But if you don't use this pocket, or if you don't fill it up all the way, this fabric flap just compresses down and you don't lose space in the main compartment. This other top pocket is almost as large. It's not padded, but it has this fuzzy lining material. You can see going inside the pack just how huge this pocket is. The only interior organization in here is this other little zippered pocket here. Also has a fuzzy lining. Great place for something like sunglasses. Laptop compartment is a large side access zipper. It has a very thick, firm padding on the back here. This inside, there's no padding. This thing easily holds 15-inch laptop. It can hold up to a 17-inch laptop. There's a thin foam padding that runs along the bottom of the bag here, but there's no false bottom. The compression straps are also updated on the newer version. This one just has this one strap. The new one has one on the top and the bottom. There's only one buckle, but the strap goes all the way through, sticks out over here on this side. So you only have to cinch it down in one place and it compresses the whole top of the bag. The carry system is tucked away behind this fabric flap, similar to bags like the Osprey Farpoint. This thing unzips all the way, and then you can tuck it in this panel behind the back padding. The straps have about everything you need for a comfortable carry: wide, padded, with a mesh backing. There's an adjustable sternum strap and top load adjusters. The hip belts are also wide and padded. They're a little bit short, nice thick buckle here, and they're also adjustable. Also has great back padding. There's these 3 ridged foam panels, stick out a good 1/2 inch off the back of the bag, covered with this breathable mesh panel, and kind of hard to see from this angle, but this part curves up, this part curves down to give you good lumbar support. This is the bag on me, fully packed. Again, I think this thing is very comfortable. Backpack straps, nice wide padded, top load adjusters work great. All the straps have nice little keepers, very easy to adjust. The hip belt could be a little longer, kind of sitting a little bit on the back of my hip as opposed to the sides, but other than that, this is a very comfortable carry. Let's look at the interior organization now. There's a huge trade-off between bags like this with a lot of features and interior volume. The Litehaul has this beefy stowable backpack system, this thick padded laptop compartment, which take up a lot of space in the pack. Compared to a pack like this Osprey Daylight, this thing is a 30-liter bag with almost no features. There's no padding here on the bottom, there's thin padding here on the top, and very thin backpack straps. Looking at these two packs from the side, you can see they have almost similar depths at about 9 inches. But now when we open them up, you can see this Daylight has this huge interior compartment. The depth on this thing is the same as the depth on the bag, about 9 inches. But come over here to the Litehaul, the depth on the duffel bag is only about 5.5 inches because all the backpack straps and padding in the laptop compartment. And even though this is a 38-liter pack compared to this 30-liter pack, I can fit about the same amount of stuff in both these bags. But that being said, the Litehaul has a big volume and I can still fit a ton of gear in this pack. The main compartment is quite a bit longer and wider than that other bag. If I don't have anything in these top pockets, I can easily fit 2 medium packing cubes in here side by side. The Eagle Creek Isolate Compression, and this is the Clean Dirty Cube. And the packing style is a little bit weird. Even though it looks like we have this thing fully packed, there's still quite a bit of room left. I have sandals packed in a scrubba, day pack, toiletry kit, another small packing cube, a towel, and a puffy jacket. So I just stuck all that stuff on the top here. Looks like it's sticking out a little bit from the bag, and it kind of is, but this lid is gonna sit on here nicely, zip around, and squish down and keep everything in place. I forgot to mention there's a big zippered pocket in the lid here. Great for thinner items like this. I could also put the sandals up here. And you can see the stuff on the inside displace those pockets up here so you're not losing that volume. There is still enough room on the top here. I have a little pile of electronics, some gadgets, and sunglasses. That's everything packed into the Litehaul there. Easy to pack, it's got a good shape to it. Keep in mind, if you are putting a lot of stuff in these top pockets, probably want to pack it in there first. Make sure you have enough room for the rest of your gear in the main compartment. Some quick pros and cons. The Kathmandu Litehaul, I think, is a good option if you want a bag with a really comfortable carry and you like all these extra features like external laptop compartment and a water bottle pocket. And even though these features eat up a lot of space in the pack, you still have a large capacity in the main compartment. That's all I have for the Kathmandu Litehaul 38. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.